Welcome to H2O Toys. We have Thomas the Train, and we're gonna see if he can ride on water. So we'll put him on the tracks. There he goes. There he goes.
Poppy on this track.
Okay. And what about Samson? Here's Samson also. Samson wants to go. There he goes. Look at him go. Oh, fix Thomas.
Oh, no, Thomas.
Oh no, they fell off. There they go, riding around. Let's give Thomas the car. Thomas will get a car. Here he goes. And there he goes. Who else? Let's give Samson needs a car too. Here we go. Let's give him a car.
And James needs a car.
And there they go.
James needs a car.
Whoa, look at them all go. They're all riding on water. All right, good job. See you next time on H2O Toys.